Tired of wrestling with Azure DevOps pipelines that break at the worst moments? Manual approval bottlenecks slowing you down? Environments that refuse to play nice? Our pack fixes it all with customizable CI/CD templates for multi-stage YAML pipelines, automated release gate validation tools that check deployment health metrics, approval workflow scripts with Slack Teams integrations, and environment tagging utilities that sync prod-like configurations across stages. Say goodbye to works on my machine chaos. This is for Azure developers, DevOps engineers, cloud architects, and release managers who crave order in the cloud. One word: automation. Here's what's inside the Azure DevOps Pack: multi-environment pipeline templates with built-in security scanning, release gate validation tools that auto-detect latency spikes, approval workflow automation using logic apps and Power BI dashboards, environment synchronization scripts with Terraform state locking, and chaos engineering modules to test pipeline resilience. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool set, it's your new deployment superpower. Installing the Azure DevOps Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Azure DevOps Pack. That's it. You get the full pipeline framework, templates, validation tools, and environment sync scripts downloaded directly into your workspace. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Azure pipeline syntax, gate conditions, and environment tagging best practices. No more, "I think this YAML might work" moments. Just type and deploy like a pro.